This train reminds us of the Royal Marines' connections with Plymouth. We're proud of that, and also the fact that that was Corporal Sheard's home city and the home of today's Commando Brigade.
We are incredibly proud of George Sheard and the other brave men of Operation Factor. To have a train named in his name is a great accolade, and we hope that passengers will learn of the mission.
As we remember all our VE Day heroes, remembering this Royal Marine in particular is important not just for the communities in Devonport and in Plymouth and across the southwest. It stands in testament to all those who made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom in the Second World War. We remember all of them.